One common question we get asked is how to adjust the soft close on MasterTrack FT. So this is the MasterTrack FT60, and the soft close in question is this part, and we have to get this level to make sure the operation with the catch catches the door and closes correctly. Now what sometimes gets missed is this little bit here needs to be adjusted. So the Allen key goes in here, you can loosen that, and if I've used the Allen key to show you, that then moves, so you can lift this up or down to get it to the right level, and then redo the little screw up like so. Once it's level, then that should help. And then the other thing always remember to do is to set the anti-jump, so that obviously if there is a problem, it's a safety device that's built into the system. You need it a millimetre or two off the track, and then we just tighten that up the same, and job done.